What have I told you? There's a community in Vancouver that's a hidden gem that feels like a secret but has everything at your doorstep. Here we are at River District. It's one of Vancouver's last waterfront master plan communities where everything you need is literally right here. Today we have a unit on the 10th floor with an amazing view of Mount Baker and so much more. Let's go take a look. This is Vancouver's last hidden waterfront gem. Grab a coffee, groceries, wine, and dinner, all steps from your door. And yes, we've got a move-in ready 1-bedroom waiting for you. This 1-bedroom condo is right in the heart of it all, with an open concept kitchen, living room, plus a tucked away bedroom, all with a beautiful view of Mount Baker. At Club Central, you have access to over 14,000 square feet of luxury amenities that make every day feel elevated. And when you own here, you have access to one of the best amenities in Vancouver called Club Central, where you have a pool, gym, 2 squash courts, a basketball court, a daycare. Everything you need is literally right here. Think resort-style living without the resort prices. If you want to take a look at this amazing property, feel free to contact me. My name is Denise Mai, and I'm more than happy to set up a private view with you.